G'day viewers. We have a 1953 Morris Oxford master cylinder here, which is having an overhaul done to it. They fitted these master cylinders to varying different vehicles. In the Morris Oxford Series MO, they fitted them from 48 to 54 and ongoing to 56 in the commercials and possibly a lot of other Morris vehicles and English vehicles of the time. This one was leaking. This is the assembly as I've taken it apart. We have the spring, cup, washer, piston, got another sort of rubber seal there, washer and retainer clip, and that all goes in that direction. When you do pull it out, you just simply flick this off inside there with a screwdriver, remove this washer, then use a set of long nose pliers like that, spread them out and just gently slide that out, and then this assembly will be in the bottom of the master cylinder, and you can blow a little bit of compressed air through the aperture here to force the cup and piston spring assembly out. Or you can just do what I did, is turn upside down the bench, tap, tap, tap away, and it just gently comes out. I've inspected the bores of this particular master cylinder. You can't see in there too well, but the bores look alright. They're worn a bit, but they look okay. It was re-sleeved in stainless steel, so they should last for a long, long time, and that one's been in my particular vehicle for about 15 years, so yeah, long time. I inspected the cup and I found there was a problem with the cup. If I can just pick that cup up, if you can see. Get a bit closer. You can see there's a line in the cup that goes right to the edge. So the cup is worn. Time to replace it. And there's another one there. It just doesn't show any other signs anywhere else. But I would suggest that would be where the relief hole in the master cylinder to the reservoir body is. So that would be those areas there that are leaking. And it just got to a point where it no longer worked at all. As soon as you put your foot on, it would bypass. So my go now is to replace this cup, put it back together in reverse assembly, and reinstall it. So there you have it. These kits are available on eBay, but I'm going to try and source this particular cup and this particular cup. I'll try and source them locally before I go to eBay because they're a PBR component, as you can roughly see there. I only want this rubber seal here because I can see that's got wear all around the top too. I don't know if you can see there, but you can see some flat spots in that. That's got some wear in it. So maybe I can get the entire assembly. Who knows? 7/8 should be pretty standard. So there you have it. I'll reassemble this sucker when I get the parts, and I'll be on the road. So if you're doing one of them, you've got to check the bores in here, check for any massive scoring. I can't feel anything. I can't see anything. I see a bit of wear. That's all. We'll soon know anyway. And also when you're reassembling it, I use this particular stuff here. Rubber brake cup assembly lubricant. I gave that a spray down the board just to keep it nice and protected, but stainless, it should be just fine. There we go. If I can get another 15 years motoring out of it, sweet. All right, Wasto's Garage, we're signing off. Have an awesome day.